Speak English fluently.
Sight words. Words that start with B and C. Hello, welcome to another video on our series on sight words. In this video, we'll review some of the most frequent words that start with B and C in English. Remember that some of these words may sound the same even if they are written differently. Don't worry, that is just the way English works. Just learn to associate the way the word is written to how it sounds. Try repeating both the words and the phrases every time you hear them. This will help you to remember how the words sound while you work on your fluency by picking up the rhythm of spoken English. Let's get started. Back. Be. Because. Been. Before. Back. Be back. I'll be back. I'll be back. Back. Be. To be. To be or not to be. That is the question. To be or not to be. That is the question. Be. Because. Because I. Why? Because I said so. Why? Because I said so. Because. Been. Been away. She's been away for a long time. She's been away for a long time. Been. Before. Before you go. You must see me before you go. You must see me before you go. Before. Big. Black. Blue. Boy. Big. Go big. Go big or go home. Go big or go home. Big. Black. Black tie. Bring your tuxedo. It's a black tie event. Bring your tuxedo. It's a black tie event. Black. Blue. Deep blue sea. Dive into the deep blue sea. Dive into the deep blue sea. Blue. Boy. It's a boy. Your sister called. It's a boy. Your sister called. It's a boy. Boy. Brown. But. Buy. Buy. Brown. Brown bag. Bring a brown bag lunch tomorrow. Bring a brown bag lunch tomorrow. Brown. But I'm sorry, but I have to go. I'm sorry, but I have to go. but, buy, buy low, just, buy low and sell high. Just buy low and sell high. Buy, buy, buy me. Stand by me. Stand by me. Buy. Can, came, come, could. Can, I can. I can and I will. I can and I will. Can. Came. Came early. Looks like Christmas came early this year. Looks like Christmas came early this year. Came. Come. Come down. What goes up must come down. What goes up must come down. Come. Could. If I could. If I could, I would. If I could, I would. Could. Let's review the vocabulary one last time. Back, be, because, been, before, big, black, blue, boy, brown, but, buy, can, came, come, could. Thank you for watching this video on sight words. We hope you will enjoy the rest of the series on speaking English fluently. Leave us a comment if you have any suggestions or questions. If you liked the video, let us know. Like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video.